Grand Rapids Chief of Police is sharing his ideas for better policing. Chief Eric Winstrom presented his public safety plan to city commissioners this morning. 13 on your side's Carla Byron joining us now. And Carla, you talked with Patrick Leoya's family's attorney about these changes. What was his reaction?
Well, Ven Johnson says he essentially that these changes are too little too late. However, he thinks Leoya's death would have still happened even if these new policies were in place. GRPD is implementing new rules that emphasize de-escalation techniques and prioritize sanctity of human life. Some policy language changes include requiring a warning before use of deadly force, using deadly force only when necessary, and requiring the opportunity to voluntarily comply.
I came in, hit the ground running on March 7th when I looked and started going through the policies to make sure that we have the best policies. And as time evolves, police policy has changed so much since 2000 when I started in policing. I think when I leave policing, it'll look completely different. I want to always make sure that Grand Rapids is at the forefront of that.
The chief says his policy changes weren't based on the officer-involved shooting death of Patrick Leoya. Rather, this is something he has worked on since day one. Leoya family attorney Ven Johnson says he applauds the changes. However, it's too little too late as his client is dead. He believes the same outcome would have happened regardless.
The same thing would have happened as long as the officers who are enforcing these policies and procedures are not held accountable when they violate them.
Johnson says these policies are already required by federal law, so it should have been taught before.
One of many of the Supreme Court's excessive force decisions required verbal warning when feasible before an officer uses deadly force.
He says that didn't happen in the Leoya case, so he's in the process of filing a case in Grand Rapids federal court. Going forward, Chief Winstrom emphasized he will hold his officers to the highest level of professional standards. The chief says training in these new policies will begin on August 2nd, guys.
All right, Carla.